Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today I'm going to teach you more about Chase credit card for beginners. Let's talk about the Chase Freedom Rise. This is Chase dedicated card for individuals with limited or no credit history. It's an unsecured card, so it doesn't require a security deposit. It offers a straightforward 1.5% cashback on all purchases, which is an excellent reward rate for a beginner card. You can also receive a 25% statement credit after enrolling in automatic payments within the first 3 months. For those with a Chase Bank account, your approval odds are increased by having at least $250 in a checking or savings account. This card is a gateway as it can be upgraded to another Chase card after responsible use. Now let's get to the next tier. Freedom Unlimited and Freedom Flex. Once you have built a positive credit history, you can consider applying for other Chase cards that offer more robust rewards. We have in here Chase Freedom Unlimited, a popular choice for its simplicity. This card offers 5% cashback on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3% on dining and drugstores, and an unlimited 1.5% cashback on all other purchases. We also have Chase Freedom Flex. For the strategic spender, the Freedom Flex offers a powerful combination of rewards. It offers 5% cashback on rotating bonus categories each quarter, on up to $1,500 on in spending, in addition to 5% on travel through Chase Travel, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. The rewards earned on these cards are actually Chase Ultimate Rewards points. While you can redeem them for cashback, their value can be maximized when used for travel through the Chase portal or transferred to their airline and hotel partners. This makes the Freedom cards a perfect starting point for anyone who actually wants to get into travel hacking. Now let's get to the pro tips for beginners. First, pay your bills on time and in full. This is the most critical step to building a strong credit score. It shows lenders you are a reliable borrower and helps you avoid paying any interest. Also, keep utilizing low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit limit. A lower credit utilization ratio shows you are not over relying on credit. We also have the 5 out of 24 rule. Be aware that Chase has an official rule that will likely deny you for a new card if you have opened 5 or more personal credit cards from any issuer within the last 24 months. While this may not apply to your first card, it's something to keep in mind for future applications. Again, also a pro tip here is to start with a Chase Bank account. Having an established relationship with Chase, even with a checking account, can improve your chances of approval for the Freedom Rise card. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.